Hello everyone, this is Aida Kolami from AgriMedSoft Research Company, and I'm here to teach you something about median and how to calculate it using Excel. But what is median? So take this an example. You have a set of data 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. The median is the number in the middle of a dataset when all the data are organized from smallest to biggest. So you have a list of data, and here it is, you can see it's increasingly going up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here you just get the number in the middle, so it's the 3. You have 2 on the up and 2 down. So 3 is the median of this data set. Now, what if you don't have one number in the middle? So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Here you can see if you take 3 in the up and 3 in the down, you don't have any number in the middle. So you get 2 in the up and 2 in the middle and get the average of these two numbers, which is 3.5. So 3.5 is the median. Okay, let's go to Excel. So I don't want to get Excel an organized data set. I wanted to organize and then give me the median. So I just get a set of number 2, 3, 5, 8, and 0, 10, 23, and 15, and 12, etc. Here, you just click equal and median. Persian keyboard. So median. Then you select all your data and click enter. So this median of this data set is 8. So that's it for today's video. I really hope that you have learned something new. Please subscribe to this channel and ring the bell, like this video, and see our other videos. I wish to see you in the next video, and bye.